Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I will be teaching you cup and handle formations and how to trade them. So let's get right into this. Cup and handle formations. They are a bullish continuation pattern, so let's see what they look like. Now, this is an Ethereum cup and handle formation and the trade setup. In this case, we have a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. So basically we're trying to make 3 times more than we're willing to lose if we're wrong. As you can see, the cup shape right here. And then we have the handle retracement, which usually retraces back to 0.168. And then we have the move. So you enter when it breaks above the top of this cup. So the top of the cup is when you enter. So right here is where you would enter in Ethereum. And you could have caught about 26% off that swing. Alright, now here's some important things to note, and then we'll go ahead and look at live examples in Coinigy. Usually it's a 50% retracement, meaning the bowl of the cup is 50%, it moves back 50% of the move before the bowl. So if there's a 100% move, it comes back 50%, and then you have the cup and handle formation and it breaks out. It's also a continuation pattern, meaning you have to trade it on an uptrend. So if it shows up on a downtrend, it's not a valid pattern, but it can be switched upside down to trade it on downtrends the other way, inversed cup and handle they're called. It's the same thing, just upside down. And then like I said, you want to enter the breakout. So let's go ahead and check out some live examples. Alright, here's the live example in Expanse. This is a cup and handle formation that formed over a few days here. These are 2-hour candlesticks. As you can see, this is the retracement right here, meaning that from here to here, this is a 50% pullback. As you can see, from the lowest point to the highest point. So when this trend started, this is the move before the pattern. From here to here is the move. Here's the pattern, and here's that 50% retrace. Like I said, it usually comes down to 50% of the first move. This isn't a trend, so if we zoom out here, we can see that Expanse is in an uptrend, so that makes it valid also. And we just barely broke out of the top of the cup, so Expanse is good for entries here, targeting 30%. So if we click if we click from our entry here with a long position, over here from the right on Coinigy.com, you can drag up this, and you want to drag it to 30%, and that's where you would be looking to sell on this swing. So that's how I trade the cup and handle. I look to enter when the handle breaks, right here, like I said, from the top of the cup. A couple important things to note is you want these cups to be very, very rounded. You don't want them to be a triangle shape, you want them to be rounded. Another important thing to note is sometimes these cup and handles catch before they trace back to the 618 fib. So in this case, we caught at the 50% fib. So this is another cup and handle that formed. And we trace from the high to the low. See, that's the 50%, or the 0.05 is where it retraced from. So sometimes you want to have a target entry at the 50% and also the 618. In this case, the target entry, I guess your target entry is when the line breaks, so never mind on that. But sometimes it does pull back to the 50% or to the 618. So be paying attention to that. In this case, it pulled back to the 618. See, from the low to the high, we have this 618 Fibonacci right here on the left, and it pulled back to that support before it broke. So again, you would want to enter right here on that break. When it breaks above the top of the cup is when you're looking to handle, when you're looking to enter. So yeah, that's how I trade the cup and handle formation. It's a very accurate formation, and it's super good for trading. So I wanted to show you that, and also it's occurring a lot right now, so I wanted to point it out because of that too. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. As always, stay profitable.